Yeah, so I'll start with I'm getting a BS in economics here at UVM. I'm going to graduate this spring, and what I've done here at the university, like two main things. I'd like to highlight two things. Is I was a research assistant during the summer of 2021 to one of the professors here, formerly worked here, now retired, Dr. Gibson, and for that in research apprenticeship, we studied how the local economy affected phosphorus loading into Lake Champlain. And primarily what I did is I helped calibrate a model that would help us to study these effects. The second thing that I've done is as part of starting off as part of a class called Advanced Econometric Analysis. I completed a project about an airline merger between Delta and Northwest that was finalized in 2010. And primarily what I studied with that merger is how airfares were changed through changes to the flight network. You know, how flights between two destinations are designed in order for Delta to maximize profits. So I chose to do a bachelor's in science because it's a more technical degree. It's also a larger degree. I think I believe in the bachelor's of arts, and I wanted to really focus on the technical aspect of economics, and I'm also like comparatively strong to other areas in math and in computer science, and the bachelor's in science includes those in the degree, which may be able to use those skills. So advanced econometric analysis was a favorite. That was with Professor Seacott here, who's great, brilliant guy, really great class. And another that's up there for me was Topics in Public Finance, which was a class that I took last semester that was taught by Professor Bull here at UVM, and it's they kind of encapsulate two different reasons that economics can be so interesting and cool. Like advanced econometrics was definitely more the technical statistics and network side of things, and Topics in Public Finance was more of like a theory course and a little bit more philosophical. And I think both those for me really encapsulated like all the things that I love about economics and love about studying it here. So yeah, for studying anything, I think the thing that I can recommend the most is to try as many things as possible, to challenge yourself as much as possible. I think there's few places like college that you can be as stimulated as you can here, and where you're able to test yourself as much here without having like dire life consequences all the time. There's just obviously limits to that, yeah. But for the most part, I think that it's a really great space to explore things that you haven't learned about yet, or don't know how good you are going to be at, or anything like that, and to try to just throw some skin in the game and see what happens.
Yeah, I mean, I guess it's kind of like you can fail a bit and still make it out.
Absolutely, and the fact that I'm graduating is a total testament to that.